When you track your monthly expenses, you often categorize them into food, rent, transportation, entertainment, and more. By analyzing these categories, you can quickly spot areas where you're spending more than expected, like eating out too often or overspending on entertainment. By making these small adjustments, you can save money for future goals, whether it's for a vacation, emergency fund, or investments. Like is where data analytics comes in. It's the process of transforming raw data into meaningful insights to make better decisions. Data analytics involves data collecting, organizing, and visualizing data to discover trends and patterns. To do this, we use powerful tools like SQL for managing data, Power BI for creating interactive reports, Excel for quick analysis, and Python for advanced data processing. Our academy, we teach these in-demand technologies to accelerate your career growth. Learn more about our courses, contact us now.